Dude, that's freaking sick.
Okay everybody, so as you see from the title of the video, I have finally gone around and ordered clear taillights. I got this a couple of days ago. It's a box full of C5 parts. Some guy, he was selling the OEM taillights, and if you know about the clear taillights, you have to break these open and put the lens on. And he also gave me the, I don't know if this is left or right, but it's one of the pop-ups and the side markers, so I'm gonna sell those and make a flip. But I got everything, including the red bulbs, and I don't have the screws on me. My dad thinks we have screws, and they're stainless steel, so they're chrome, basically. And that's what you want with the clears, because if you use black ones, they're gonna stick out. So if y'all aren't new here, y'all would know I do have these red taillights, and these are the infrared ones, which I really like. They're really cool with them on. But I don't like what they look like when they're off. They're just plain, kind of orangish red. And I just really like the chrome and clear accents on this car. And by the way, the brand is Luckygarage. They're the ones that make all the lenses. Oh, there's candy in there. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Look. See, it's like a frosted kind of look, and then it looks completely clear through the lens, because I think the back of like the taillights are like a chrome color. But this is the flash harness, and then I also ordered the brake light because I can't have a red brake light with clear taillights. So. I was supposed to be filming this a couple of days ago, but UPS, or not UPS, the postal was taking so long, they kept delaying me. Okay, here's the brake light, which looks good too. But yeah, I'm gonna eat these high chews, and then I'm gonna install these tonight, hopefully. It's not really that hard of a process. It kind of takes time. You have to break this open, and then you have to get all the red off. So you use a Dremel. I'm gonna show y'all later. But yeah, this is gonna be over it. So look really good. All right, guys, it's finally nighttime. I got my hammer, and I'm about to bust it open. That's the only way you can do it. You have to bust it, and then you have to get the Dremel. But let's go. This is a shame. I do like the red, and I think the reds look cool, but ooh. I feel so wrong doing breaking something like this. I've seen people clamp off the side. I may go grab pliers to get the rest off. Okay, I'm looking for some pliers. Got some. Okay, I got this one fully off. I got a Dremel to get this all out. I did kind of crack it right here. I don't think that's gonna be an issue. I hope not. All right, I got the second one finished. I did put a little mark on there. I don't think that matters again. You're not gonna be able to even see inside. Okay, never mind. The guy that makes these, Nick, he said that I should seal it. So I'm just gonna seal the other side with a black RTV, I believe, because that's what you have to use to seal it, which I don't have, so I won't be able to glue them tonight. I'm gonna have to buy them early tomorrow and hopefully just let it seal throughout the day, and I think it'll be fine. Okay, finished the third one, got one more left. Got a big mess. I'm curious what these would have looked like on, but you know, let's get that process. Okay, last one's finally done. It's time to Dremel all the red off. And by the way, like I said, I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and get black RTV. I'm gonna put it all around here like you're supposed to, and then I have to seal that one spot like I said. But yeah, I gotta wake up really early to do this and clamp it, and hopefully in a few hours, I'll be able to put them on. This is the Dremel bit I found that is working best for me. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Microplastics are everywhere, dude. If I didn't already have millions of those in me, I do now. I'm just going over. I'm trying to be careful because I do not want to break anything, but I'm about to turn a fan on because I don't want to be breathing this in. I'm going to be listening to some music and just relax because this is going to take a while. So when you're doing this, it's going to take some time. So you're going to want your beer with you. Obviously, I don't drink because I'm 18 or 19, so this is my beer. And by the way, if you have not had this flavor, make sure you get it, dude. This is amazing. I go to the gym, so you know how. Gotta get the 0 sugar. Also, make sure you have your safety glasses on and some music because life is boring without music. But yeah, I'm gonna work on this for like, shoot, probably like 2 hours. It's worth it. the things I do for y'all, man. Y'all gotta appreciate it. Make sure to follow if you're not following, because it's gonna take some time. But I'm gonna catch you on a little bit. Sorry, it's very loud in here, and I don't have my mic on me. But this side's basically done. This one, I'm waiting for it to cool down because it's hot. I moved on to this one, but it's still really hot, the tip. I didn't realize that. So I'm gonna let this sit for a second while watching YouTube. I was watching the Joe Bartoluzzi. Shout out to him, even though he's way bigger than me. I was watching him while doing this. Popped up against my Dr. Pepper. And it's looking not that bad. Just a process. Anybody can do this if you just have the tools. But yeah, I'm gonna let this cool down for a minute and then I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, I just want to do another update. These ones are practically done. I still have to go over this one, and then this one I haven't worked on at all. I'm just watching Moist Critical, talk about some news stuff, you know, the usual. But microplastics are everywhere, dude. I'm gonna keep dremeling, just trying to be as careful as I can. Just make sure if you are doing this and watching this tutorial, make sure you are being careful. You do not want to damage the bezels. Since they're clear, this matters. So try not to mess up anything. And then try to get all the red off as possible. I'm using the black RTV, like I said. You can also use the clear one. I think the black one's just gonna look better because it's gonna cover, you know, the outside. And yeah, gonna get back to work. All right, guys, I'm done dremeling. I'm gonna spray it out with the air hose and then use glass cleaner to really get the inside really shiny because I want it to look really good. It's really not that hard to do, and it was really fun. I'm not gonna lie, like I enjoyed that. You know, it's a little peaceful process. All right, I got them all wiped up in here as best I can, and a lot of it is just stained. It's not from me. It's not dirty or anything. And the clear taillights are frosted. I'm just making sure. You know what I mean? All right, now I gotta clean up my mess from outside from breaking them. But tomorrow, like I said, waking up real early, getting the RTV, the black one, stainless steel screws because I don't have any. But yeah, I'm really excited to do this. I'm very sorry if it's really loud in here, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, this is the next day. I got the RTV and I got the screws in here. I won't be needing to do this today because I need to let this dry. And I'm actually about to sell my old tires in like an hour. But this is the RTV I'm using. And I'm gonna try to use clear if I have any on the side that I broke. But if not, I'm just gonna put this on there. All right, guys, I got this one out of the package. Dude, this is gonna look so cool. Guys, got this one sitting out here. Got it clamped and with tape because I didn't want to put a clamp on the side. It's just too much because I had to do the other ones. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. All right, I'm out here with my dad, but we put RTV on the outside because you know how I cracked it. That should seal it up. All right, now I got one more left. It looks like some weird contraption going on here, but gotta make sure it's fully clamped. I don't want any moisture going on, so. And the guy's about to be here to sell the tires, so about to be up 140. All right, guys, all done with the lights now. Just gonna let them sit. If you want to do this easier and not harder, you can do screws and put a bolt through here. Sorry, I'm recording this with one hand. I just did zip ties. Works great. So now I'm just gonna let them sit here for a few hours, wait till the morning, and then I'm gonna install them. So I'll get y'all back then. All right, guys, after like 4 hours of sitting, they're already dried and ready to go. So I'm about to install them. I'm literally so excited. This has been my dream. Ever before I even got my car, seeing it on TikTok like a year and two ago, everybody had the clears. I'm not copying them. I just love it, and I think it looks sick on the C5. I know a lot of y'all are gonna probably prefer the red, and especially because they're the infinity lights, which I do agree the infinity does look sick. But at the end of the day, it is my car, and I decided I really want the clears after a while of waiting. But yeah, guys, this is the last time you're gonna see me having red taillights. This is the only screwdriver I grabbed, and it's the perfect fit. I'm so glad it's the right size. Dude, that's freaking sick. Look how sick this is, dude. I freaking love it. Just look at that profile, bro. See, I have the chrome wheels, I have the front clears, I have the blacked out tint, and now I have the clear taillights to go all with that. Bro, I am so happy with this. This has been a dream of mine since the beginning. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like during the day because at night, like, you can't really see anything. I'm gonna turn my lights on real quick and show y'all, and then I'm gonna show y'all the brake light too, because it's one of those F1 ones. Guys, I'm like really happy with this. I know some of y'all may not like it. Like I said, it's more of a personal preference, but I'm really excited to start making videos with this. I don't know if y'all know this, but I also post on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to follow it right here. And I've been growing a lot on Instagram, especially TikTok, not as much, but Instagram, I've been growing a lot. And this is gonna look sick in those rainy C5 videos I've been posting. Now I'm gonna pick up my mess, and I'm gonna pick up in the morning and show y'all then. And I also need to wash my car because my car is really dusty. All right, guys, it's the next day. I'm about to go to the car wash. I'm not gonna look at my taillights until I get there because I want to see them in the day. All right, guys, look how freaking sick this is. So the bulbs I use, they work really well and they're really bright, but they kind of reflect through. So I'm gonna order new bulbs right now and see if I can return these. But other than that, guys, I am just super happy with how this looks. This is just my dream car really coming together. Yeah, guys, it's super windy, so I'm about to go inside, but let me know what y'all think in the comments. But yeah, guys, like I said, let me know what y'all think in the comments. And for watching this is a tutorial, just be careful and you know, follow all the steps. You can drill into it instead of hitting it with a hammer if you feel safer with that, because you know, you can't break it with a hammer. I don't know if that's the reason why I broke it, but if you are hammering it, just make sure you have like something in the back, like a cushion. Yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. On to the next mods and to a POV. I'll see y'all.